What's going on, y'all? Brett Seeley here. Today we're in Dallas, Texas, and I'm with my homeboy.
Hope, and I'm a girl.
So Hope is one of my oldest. I'm not talking about time length. I'm talking about like legit oldest. She's 47. All right, so we went to Puerto Rico like 4 or 5 years ago.
A long time ago.
It was a long time ago.
Couple of years, yep.
Yeah, back when she was in her 30s still. We're in Puerto Rico. There's a house full of crazy models and photographers, and this fool went to bed at like 7:30.
Yep, every night.
Reason why is because she wanted to stay fresh for the shoots the next day. The reason why I mention this is because when you're at a certain tier, when you're at a certain level, you'll find that there's a lot of people that treat photography and modeling for fun, which it is. It should be fun. I mean,
Yeah, absolutely.
but there's a certain level where they turn it into what they do. It's a passion, but it's also their profession. And I have rarely worked with anybody as professional as Hope. God, I can't believe I'm saying nice things about you. What is going on? I think I got pneumonia.
It's only because you love me.
You gave me the bird flu. That's
I
why.
did. I'm sick, guys. That's why I sound like
This wasn't scripted. I just want to say I appreciate everything that you've done in the past. We've done a lot of business things together.
Yeah.
Easily one of the most professional models I've ever worked with.
this. And easily one of the best photographers I've ever worked with. Honest to God, I'm not making
We
it up.
scripted that though.
I promise.
I had to
yes.
pay her, yeah.
I tell people all the time, you really are. You're the best.
That cost me like a whole bunch of Chipotle burritos.
Hey.
But today's episode is less about learning lighting and all this stuff. What I want you to do is I want you to see a professional at work. I'm hyping you up. Girl, you better not mess this up, because I'm trying to make you sound like really good.
I promise I'm a little rusty, a little under the weather.
But even though she's not feeling her best, she's still gonna deliver the best. And so
I'll try my best.
that's what I love most.
Try your best.
All right, ready?
You ready?
Yep. Love that. Good. Yep. Perfect. Let's have you look a tiny bit more to your left. If we can hold instead of on the top of the foot, hold more to the toe. Yeah. Let's do both hands. There. Good. There. Relax. Good. Let's have you do more of a strong stance facing me. Ooh, right there. Good. Okay, I remember you. Hold it together, woman. There. Good. Love that. Good. Do a half step over this way. Right there. Just like that. Perfect. Love. Strong. Yeah. Good. Perfect. Love that. Good. All right, let's have you come forward this way about like 4 feet. All right, y'all, so the issue I had was she was really close to the fence, so when I'm shooting, that rim light was hidden behind this. I brought her out a little bit so I can get a little bit more detail, a little bit more separation on this side here. So now I gotta bring this light over here. Oh yeah, much, much more better. All right, so key light's gonna be on your right. Let's do where you're facing more over there. There. Ooh, yeah. Love that. Hold it. Perfect. Love. Strong. Good. Good. Last one, like you're tying your shoe up on this little ledge. Yeah. Like here and then looking behind you. Yeah. Yeah. Just like that. That one should be okay. There. Good. Turn your face a tiny bit more to your right. Good. Love. Good. All right, hang tight. There, love that. Good. We go taller on that back toe as well. There. Perfect. I don't know if y'all can hear, but when she got that last pose, she exhaled and you heard the emptying of her core. Love. Love the shoulder. Yeah. Good. That. Strong. Good. Love it. Okay. She did all right. 1 to 10. How about a 4.2?
Oh Just a 4.2?
4.4.
Damn, I gotta get better.
Now, if you notice, the nice thing is like every time the light went off, she swapped and she did a small transition. Here, here, here. Like that. But a pro knows her angles, and every shot may not be a banger, but she's giving the photographer a chance to nail, you know? We talk a lot about the lighting, composition, interaction, posing, all that stuff. But what's most important is to understand what it's like on this side of the lens, because I gotta tell you, anyone that's trying to do any YouTube videos, you know the first 5 videos suck. Why? Because being on this side is very hard.
Yeah, it's weird.
It's difficult. And as a model, I mean, I know because I, you know, get.
Hey, you're looking good.
She lie like a rug, man. Girl, don't be messed up. Don't be touching the photographers. I'm so offended. Gross.
I didn't even touch you. I touched your shirt.
Well, yeah, no, it's like personal space, private space. No, but she's gonna give you a few tips and pointers what it's like to be on this side and things that maybe you did not realize as a photographer. Because a lot of times we're in our own little world, you know what I mean? For model wannabes, for photographer wannabes, she doesn't know this yet, but we're gonna be planning another trip to either Costa Rica or Mexico, her second home, or Maui. Where you wanna go?
I'm down. Anywhere by the beach. I'm happy.
Anywhere by the beach.
Take me to the water.
We're gonna try to do something. I don't know when. In the next 8 months.
Yeah, perfect.
In the next 4 months.
We need to do another group trip. That was fun.
You need time to get your man voice gone, though.
I do, yeah. It's going to take a while.
She sounds kind of raspy like this.
I can't help it.
I know, but that's okay. We gonna hopefully make sure that she look better next time. Think I sound just like you, yeah?
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah, they're like
Just
twins.
like it.
We're twins.
This is how he is all the time. Tell him to just get to work, Brett.
If you think you're gonna learn something, please consider subscribing and click on that notification bell so you get updates every time we post new content, which is about once and twice every single week. She doesn't know it yet,
Dang.
but she needs to get on this
Once
YouTube
or
thing
twice
too.
Or a week.
Girl, 2020.
Okay,
Get
let's
that
go.
vision.
All right.
2020 vision.
I like it.
If you have any questions, comment down below.
Cut.
Be sure to check out her social media. Give her a like, give her a follow, and let's go. You just headbutt me? What'd you do? Ow!
My armpit in her face.
That was gross.
All right, guys, so for all the photographers out there, definitely have a few tips for you guys. I think the main thing, if you're shooting with a model that I guess has been established in the industry and is comfortable with what she's doing, and maybe you're new getting started, maybe you're not as confident, right? So when you go in, make sure that you go in confident, knowing what you want, and have a plan and a vision. Even though someone like me who's been modeling for a long time, I kind of know what I'm doing, but what I like to get most out of a photographer is their vision, their image, and I love direction. So you have to go in knowing that. You can't walk in and say nothing, because I get it, you're nervous. Maybe I'm nervous too because I don't know you, but the biggest thing is having a vision, having a direction, and talking your way through it, because it's gonna make the model feel more comfortable, laugh, joke, doesn't have to be super serious the whole time. I think that's like my biggest thing, because I have worked with new people before and it's so awkward, and like, I don't know what you want me to do because everyone shoots differently. So if you don't tell me, how am I supposed to know? Be professional and know your place. As a female model, and I do shoot more things that are more sexy fitness, but I'm not just gonna go directly into that. Talk about what you're wanting to shoot beforehand. Let's say, for instance, we're doing a lingerie shoot. I've done this before, actually just recently with a photographer, and I know he shoots a lot of implied, which is fine because I shoot some of that too, but you can't just tell a girl, all right, let's take it off and show it. It doesn't work like that. Talking with your model, asking her, what do you want out of these images? For me, I have like a place where I will not go, which is okay, right? And he knew that, and he directed me properly. He didn't ever make me feel uncomfortable. I never felt like I had to show anything. And also, if you're shooting something along the lines of implied, he had like a dressing tube for me to change. I'm not changing in front of him. I'm always changing in a dressing tube. You know, everything's very professional. So I think you just, again, know your place, know what you're shooting. Even though you may see something online of what you think a girl may shoot like, it's not always the case, right? Because people are professional always.
One more.
One more. Be quick and efficient, guys. Especially for the model, it's not easy. It may look easy, but literally we're flexing and stretching and arching and It's exhausting, and I'm telling you right now, I get hangry because I don't like to eat before I shoot. And if I'm shooting for 3 hours, I'm exhausted, I'm done. You're not gonna get a lot out of me, and you can see it on my face. Plus, the model doesn't wanna go through 10,000 photos. If you're gonna take 10,000 photos, I'm telling you right now, I'm not looking through the photos. So make sure that you're doing that on your own. That's why I love Brett, because he's in it quick. He knows he has a shot, he gets the shot, he moves on.
I'm not that quick.
But you are quick. Like, you're not gonna be making me shoot for 5 hours. Well, I'm not gonna do that anyway, but don't make your model shoot forever. Get the shot, guys. Make it a good process. And plus, when you're sending the images back to your model, make sure that you go through them first, right? Take out all the bad, because I'm telling you right now, if I keep looking at myself 10,000 photos, I'm gonna be depressed. So take out the bad for the model. It helps a lot, it really does, and it makes the experience a lot better for the both of you. All right, guys, hopefully you got something out of that. If you haven't followed me already on Instagram, it's @HopeBeel, BEEL. And also, if you haven't clicked the subscribe button, make sure you do that for Brett. Thanks, guys.